Good day, it is Stephen Davids here, and in this video I will show you how to print the Gantt chart in ProjectLibre as well as printing the task spreadsheet. To print the task spreadsheet and the Gantt chart, you go to the File tab, and in the File tab you then see Preview. Go to Preview. And here in Preview, let us first discuss the various icons. And on top, at the top, you will see then also you can make it a little zoom out, make it bigger, and you can also then set it to normal. Just make it smaller, that's normal, and you can make it bigger. Plus shows you can make it bigger. Here, of course, is the print icon, and then directly next to it is the icon of the PDF. Then the surface print, then on the one side is the spreadsheet, and on the other side is the Gantt chart, and they print it in the way of the one to the left and the other one directly to the right, and there it is, these one to the right, and you can then print it and then stick it together. You will see this is page 2, and then it continues. If page 2, let us see there if there is a page 3. Yes, it goes to the end, page 3 also. Then if you go further, again it goes out until the end. So basically it says that there is, if you read here, it is 4 pages wide, and then it is 3 pages high. So you can print this and then just cut off the sides with a scissor and then stick it together. Then you have it in one line, 4 pages wide, and it is 3 pages high. So if you 1, 2, page 2 next to it, page 3, here are the page numbers, and then page 4. And then it will start again. If you continue, page 5 is there, and so it continues, one after the other. These, as it shows there, the up one goes next, immediately up, and the other one immediately down. So you have everything there. This, of course, just immediately go to the start, and this button here shows immediately to the last page. Let us put it on the last page. And then on the right hand side of the screen you have this long image here, and this, of course, you select the printer, the type of printer that you want to print it to, then orientation, landscape, usually the better one, what type of paper you have, and then also you can adjust the margins, the left or right, leave it more like that, and it is since it is relatively small, and it won't help if you make it smaller because you don't print. And then you can decide if you want to select which thing you want to print ultimately. The spreadsheet, if you deselect it, it only shows the Gantt chart, or if you deselect the Gantt, it only shows the spreadsheet. And then also here you can scale whatever you want to print. You can scale it 100%, of course, is small, the usual size, normal size. You can make it slightly bigger, the way it must be printed, or you can even scale it down. If you put here constraint portion, it means that if you whatever you put there on top, it has the same effect on the height. And if you deselect it, then you can print and scale it whatever you want to separately, and the bottom you can also scale. But you can see if you scale the height, sometimes it's there's just a portion where it starts becoming not reader friendly, so it's rather best to constrain it and scale the both left and right together. And yeah, of course, it is fit to, and you can also then select if you want to fit it to 2 pages wide, 3 pages wide. It is the same basically as scaling too. I don't necessarily want to make it the default, because if you messed up, it is better than to just get back whatever you want to. Then of course, if you want to print it, you simply print it. If you decided what you want, you can then just print it. In this case, PDF, make it PDF. There, give it the name. In this case, test, call it test 1, and then save it. Or you can print it, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.